RSI above 80 stock trading tips. RSI above 80 stock trading tips. Let's get started. We are analyzing United Technologies Corporation, EPIC UTX, Uniform Tango X-ray, listed on the Dow 30. All right. And the RSI period 14, which I'm using here, is above the level of 80, overbought above 80. All right. And I want to share with you stock trading tips when the RSI is above 80. All right. I do not know whether there is a trader out there who, has spent enough time, like myself, looking at the charts. All right. What I remember that spending too much time to understand technical indicators, the price, try to figure out, all right, what is happening in this messy market, what is working, what is not working. I mean, personally, I always believe that I spend more time than anyone else out there, all right? Now, but feel free to laugh and disagree, all right? And punch even your computer because of what I've just said, all right? But the point I want to make is that I spend, quite a lot of my life trying to figure out what's going on in this financial market and try to figure out what is working, what is not working, whether we should sell or buy when something like this happen or not. And I have done all the things that trader have done, which means, so today trader will use RSI of 14 and they will say to themselves, okay, here it is, when the RSI 14 is above 80, one should sell. I did it last time and it works. All right. And then they apply the same method another day and it doesn't work. Then what usually happens, a trader will go and will change again the setting. They'll say, okay, 14 is not working. Let's change it to 20. And then they will try also period 20 and then so on. They will try period 12, period 8, and so on. What they are trying to do, this is what I call the exploration period. A trader wants to understand, which is very, very important for a trader to go to that stage. It forms the character and the skill of that trader. But in this video today, RSI above 80, stock trading tips. The RSI period 14 is above 80, and generally they will say is well overbought. I even see on television when, some people are talking about it, they say, oh, the RSI indicator, which is a popular momentum oscillator that people are saying, the Dow is now, the RSI is below 30, is oversold. Normally, people should buy. RSI above 70, people should sell. The Dow is now bearish, and so on. But it doesn't work like that, all right? It doesn't work like that, okay? It does not work like that, okay? So here it is overbought. Let's try to, share a few tips and tips with traders. So it's now well above 80. So normally we say it's overbought when it's 70. So if it goes even near, which is it did here, up to 90, we may say, well, in that case, it will definitely go down. All right? That's what people will think. Okay? If 70 is already overbought, but it goes up to 90, well, we will say definitely it's going to go down, but it's not like that. Okay? Why it's not like that? Because if you start thinking like that, you are trading the RSI oscillator instead of the price. All right? The price will do something else. That's why people are losing. Because they are trading the technical indicators and they are not trading the price. So RSI above 80, they say it's well overbought, we should sell. You are selling the RSI will go down, but the price may go up. So bringing us back to the ultimate role of the RSI is to pinpoint bullish and bearish financial instrument. So in fact, when the RSI is well above 80, it's telling us that the bullish momentum is increasing. Maximum bullish momentum is in place. That's what he meant. Maximum bullish momentum is in place. Momentum is mean the speed, okay, the rate of change of the price, all right? But the RSI, the role of the RSI is to pinpoint bullish and bearish financial instrument. When it's above 50, we call the financial instrument is considered as bullish. So now we must divert our attention to the financial instrument and say, okay, you are now, according to RSI, you are bullish. Give us higher lows and higher high. Because if it's going to be bullish, it must display higher lows, higher high. So we say, okay, give us higher lows, higher high. So bringing us now to the chart, RSI above 80. In fact, it means that bullish momentum is very, very strong right now, maximum. All right? But now, when we look at the price itself, at this point in time, I can bet that, okay, even some hedge fund out there, some experienced traders out there are selling. I hope, okay, they are right, which they can be, okay? But before we can sell, we must have a reason to sell, okay? That's what I'm talking about here. So let's pay attention to the price. So I'm drawing a trend line very fast, you see. Along, you see this high here. I join this one and this one. So here we have my first bearish trend line. Okay, let's color it in turquoise, okay? Now we are, I want to color it in turquoise, okay? Yeah, see, that's turquoise. So now that we draw this line, so we are now concentrating on the price instead of the RSI, okay? So now here it is. What has happened? So the price breaks above that bearish trend line, is now retested it. So now if we want to sell, we will be thinking, well, he breaks above a bearish trend line, he retested it here. We will say this is a tricky sell. So if you want to sell here, we say, okay, conservative trader, unless you are aggressive trader, a conservative trader, we say, all right, let's it break below it and retest this turquoise line, and then we take it down. And then we will see whether it's going to find a resistance there. If we find a resistance here, we use a top-down trading method to bring it down, okay? That's what a conservative day or swing trader will say at this point in time. He or she will be a little bit careful, or if he or she, okay, has already sold it here, he or she will secure the gain or even take profit here, because the price breaks above that skill, that turquoise trend line is retesting here. So now it's not looking as bearish as we thought, because the RSI is well above 70. Because why? Because now we are concentrating on the price itself. Okay, let's continue to concentrate on the price more, though the RSI is above 80. All right, it's well above 80. Let's pay attention to the price. Keep your eyes wide open, okay? So the price has formed what? A double bottom chart pattern. Can you see it? A double bottom chart pattern. What is that? It's a bullish chart pattern that is completed if the price goes above what? The neckline of the double bottom chart pattern. Where is the neckline? It's the pink line here. So price goes down, went out, turn around. The neckline of that double bottom chart pattern is the pink line here at $100 to $600 levels right here. So not only that, though our RSI is beautifully bearish above 70, above 80, went all the way to 89, if one is applying the theory of the RSI, that RSI above 70, well, so we are in trouble. So now the price has formed the double bottom chart pattern. Now it's now a bow, is retesting the notch. So a trader who is not using the RSI, okay, let's close the RSI for a while, who is concentrating on the price alone will have seen this. Will say, okay, a trader who is not concentrating too much on the RSI or on any technical indicator will have seen it. See, okay, let's look at this chart. You see, yeah, it went down from a low, equal low. Now the nut is right here. What is happening now? Okay, the price breaks above the nut, is retesting it here. So he or she will say that, okay, I will give priority to bullish signal above the level of $100. 100.10026, and I will only give priority to bearish signal below the 10026. That will make more sense, isn't it? With that trade, I may also notice that the price breaks above this bearish trend line and it retesting it here. All right, but he or she, the mistake that trader can make here is just go and buy or go and sell. The next step is to use a top-down trading method. So for me personally, at this point in time, I will say, okay, I'll put this stock, United Technology Corporation, in my bullish watch list, not a bearish, okay, watch list. Why? Because we are trading the price. So this United Technology Corporation stock will go into my bullish watch list. All right? Though the RSI is well above 70, is overbought. This is about RSI above 80, stock trading tips. So here, from for the weekly charts, all right, we will now go to the 4-hour time frame, waiting for a signal. We can use also the 2-hour time frame, waiting for a signal. You see the pink line is now clear on my 4-hour time frame. And anytime I change my time frame, I will draw, okay, trend lines, channels, okay. Here we are. So now I go to my 4-hour time frame, and I start drawing, okay, channel. Joining this point, okay. Okay, this point roughly here, and this point here, this point and this point allow me to draw my trend line. So what is happening on the 4-hour time frame? Okay, then I just draw a line here to make it parallel somewhere here, roughly. So we have a blue channel on the 4-hour time frame, and the price is below that channel. So though I want to buy, I know what is happening because the price went up first, breaks above the neckline, it must do that. Now it's retesting it. Though it's out of this rising channel on the 4-hour time frame, I know that the price manages to break a resistance. So though it's out of the rising channel, it's bullish, because if it's not bullish, it couldn't break this resistance here, which is quite difficult for most financial instruments. If a financial instrument form a double bottom chart pattern and fail to display to go above the nut, it's bearish. It becomes truly bearish. All right. So here, this is not bearish because it manages to break above the nut and is retesting here. So next step, my friend, we'll measure the width of this channel because the price is out of that channel. We want to know whether the hot spot trading zone. We project that channel in the direction of the price, and we draw a line applying the market geometry. All right, multi-talented trading. All right, draw a line that is parallel to the first channel. So we are now on the edge of our second channel here. All right, so at this point in time, or I move my line 100. So in that zone somewhere there, okay. So what I will say to TSC traders is to use a top-down trading method on the edge to trade this. If the signal fell, one will come out. All right, losing trade do happen, and if the signal fell, come out. All right, it makes sense. I hope you will find this video also useful, and will put into use to make excellent, okay, stock trading decision. This is about RSI above 80 stock trading tips. In this case, we were analyzing United Technology Corporation, EPIC UTS. The RSI period 14 is above the level of 80. Most traders will start selling anywhere, anyhow, but it's a common trading mistake. One should concentrate on the price. All right, the price must confirm, okay, the overbought condition. Though the RSI in this case was well above 70, it was not that bearish when we switch our attention to the price itself, the number one indicators. If you have any question, put in the comment section. Any suggestion, put in the comment section. And in due course, we will record another video to answer your specific question. We wish you the very best in your trading And until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about RSI above 80 stock trading tips. Speak to you soon.